Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given a right circular cone. That's important to note. This means that the vertex here at the top is right at the center, okay, of this base. So from here, right, let's see what are we given. Oh, we are given the slanted height 10. We are given the perpendicular height 8. In terms of pi, the volume. I need the radius r in order for us to find whatever is required. And r is here, which is OB. Okay, so by Pythagoras theorem, let's focus on here first. I need to find r for both. So r square. So my r square plus my 8 square is equal to my hypotenuse square. This is Pythagoras theorem. Okay, that's my r, that's my 8, and that's my 10. So, how to get my r? I will first have to have 10 square minus away my 8 square before I square root it. That will give me 6 cm. So from here, I gather my r is 6. And therefore, I will be able to get all the answers from here onwards. Yeah, volume 1/3 times pi r square h. Do take note, this is my r and this is my height. And they want to leave answer in terms of pi for both. So all I have to do, I just need to find out how many pi are there by calculating, pressing to the calculator 1/3 times 6 square times 8. This will give me a value of 96 pi cm cubed. As for the total surface area, I would then need my curved surface area. So the total surface area consists of two parts. One is the circle below, which is pi r square, in this case 6 square. This is where my radius is. I will also need to include the curved surface area, which is pi rl, 6 and 10. Where radius is r6, the slanted height is 10, and therefore I will have 36 pi plus 60 pi here. Final answer is 96 pi cm square. With that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.